Hey, how's it going? John Dorsey, work with johnd.net. And in this video, I want to talk about my pet strategy, my plan that I put together to help you go from zero to $1,000 a month and then 1,000 a week, and to basically multiplying that or 10xing that over time. Because the problem is that a lot of systems are programs out there to show you how to make money online, but a lot of them are structured and focused on uh, not really helping out the new guy. It's usually centered around focused on helping out a person who pretty much already has something going. So I want to put together a system that truly helps out someone that's just starting out, someone that's fresh to internet marketing, someone who really doesn't know anything about marketing, has no tools, and has very little disposable income. With the system I put together, with the program put together, with the formula I put together, you'll be able to, if you put in the work and follow the system step by step, you'll be able to go from zero to 1K in a very short amount of time, and then grow it and multiply your income from there. So basically, the next step is to, the next step, I'm going to show you how to, exactly what I'm talking about and how the system is structured. So I'll be right back. Okay, so welcome back. Like I said in the lead-in part, the intro, whatever you want to call it, that we're going to talk about how to, for a new person just starting out that doesn't really have a background in internet marketing and making money online, where they can get in and basically plug in and start generating online income. So basically, I want to show you how money is made online using affiliate marketing. So basically, we'll start with a site called Clickbank, and I'm gonna show you how to make money with Clickbank step by step. And this is for beginners. So, of course, if you are a more advanced marketer, this video isn't for you. But if you're just starting out and want to understand internet marketing and how to make money online and create more freedom in your life, then this video you might find this video helpful. So basically, you'll go sign up for a Clickbank account, and uh, I'll include links for everything below this video. But basically, you go to Clickbank, sign up for an account, which is free. And let me start out here. Let me go back. And once you log in, or you can click on Marketplace, and Marketplace will bring you to this screen. And you see on the left-hand side, you have a whole list of categories of digital products, information products that you could promote. So the way that you will make money using this system, this process, this strategy, is basically finding an offer to promote. And you want to find a high converting offer. And so to keep things simple, we're going to go to e-business and e-marketing. And we want to sort by gravity. And gravity is basically uh, ClickBank's way of telling you or showing you which offers are currently converting, which offers are currently being promoted, and people are making money with. So we sorted by gravity. We see right now that the number one offer in ClickBank is Affiliate Bots version 2.01. Second most popular is Starting from Zero audiobook. And third most popular right now is Get Paid for Your Opinions Real Survey Jobs. So we're going to go with the number one, or the most popular product right now. That'd be the Affiliate Bots version 2.01. And okay, and then that'll take you to this page. And as you see, it says how I'm making $417 a day, per day commissions right now. And then this is the sales video, and you see that it's a $17 product. A little bit of explanation of what you're looking at. So you're seeing that the average sale, or what people are earning, is $13.98 from that $17 product. 1% rebuild, which means 1% of the people who buy stick around for a month to get rebuild. The average rebuild total is 63 cents. So I'm not saying this is a good or a bad product, because I don't know anything about the product. And that's another thing I want to mention, is that if you're going to promote something,
you want to have moral authority with that product. So that means you should also buy the product or have used the product and gotten a result. That way, when you're talking about the product in your presentation or talk about the product in emails, you will know, well, one, know what you're talking about, and two, know that you are promoting something to people that isn't a waste of their money or time. You're promoting something that will actually get them the result they're looking for, which is the ultimate goal. We don't want to be one of these fly by night people who are just pushing junk and crap on people just to make a buck. We want to be someone that people look to or look to know that if we're talking about something or promoting something, that it's a good product and it's a product that will actually help them. So, but for the sake of this video, like I said, I don't own this product. I don't know anything about it. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to go with this, assuming it's okay. But like I said, you want to actually own the product or have used it and gotten a result. So you see here, you can check out the affiliate page. This is where you'll find affiliate tools, email swipes, banners, uh, various tools. So you click on, sometimes it's a hot link, sometimes you got to copy and paste it, and it opens up the JV page, the joint venture page, or the affiliate page. And you see, they give you access to email swipes, BizOp email swipes. I don't even know what DJK swipes are, funnel bot swipes, video bot swipe, banners, and videos. And this is all stuff they give you to help you promote this product. So the way that this works is we want to set up we don't want to promote an offer straight up. We want to drive traffic to a custom wrapper or a custom lead capture page, which will have some text, a headline, and then we'll have an opt-in box, and then a button underneath. And so, I guess I should make that look like there's something written. A headline, opt-in box, and a button, but they'll opt in. After that, they'll go to a pre-sale page or a bridge page, which will be a video, preferably with you on it. But it also can be a video, from somewhere else. Yay. All right, this will be a pre-sale page. This is where you talk about the product. This could be something saying. This could be something saying, because this is why I said you should also use the product and gotten a result. Because now when you do a video talking about the product in your pre-sale page, you can say, I've been struggling online, or I just started marketing online, or whatever the case is, and I've used the product you're about to see on the next page and gotten this result. So whatever the result is, whether you got leads, whether you got made some money, whether you've gotten more traffic, whether you've gotten more exposure, branding, attracted more customers, clients, whatever your result is, lost weight, whatever the product, whatever it is, you talk about that in your pre-sale page. And under that pre-sale page, you'll have a button that'll take them to a sales page. And this works for any, I know we're talking about this affiliate Autobot program, but this process works for any affiliate product, any product. Even if you're selling cars or real estate, whatever it is, this process works for any promote anything. So like I said, you got your lead capture page where you collect an email address so you can follow up with people, because most people won't buy on the first exposure. So you want to be able to follow up with them after they get exposed to this product. And like I said, they'll take them to a pre-sale page where it could be you, or it could be someone you paid to do the video, or it could be text. But if you want to increase your conversions, video works best. And then after they see your pre-sale video, they'll go to a sales page, which will have, which will basically this page for example of this video. And that's basically how you make money with Clickbank step by step. Now, like I said, you'll have to follow up with people. You have to build this. You have to build this funnel. This is basically what this is called. This is called a sales funnel. So you have to build this lead capture page. You have to build this bridge page. You have to shoot your video, and then you have to find a product that actually converts. That's a good product that people will actually want. Now, and then you have to have an autoresponder and follow up with people after they have seen this sales video so that they can get more exposure to it and get warmed up to the offer or to yourself or whatever the case may be. Now, I know that sounds like a lot, especially if you're just starting out. I gotta build these pages. I gotta understand email marketing. I gotta do video. And if you're just starting out, that could be a lot, and it could be pretty overwhelming. And that's why I want to introduce you to something what I would consider a shortcut. And this will be something that you can use when you're just starting out. That will actually help you uh, get the results you're looking for as you build and will build your email list at the same time. And that is CB passive income. Now, CB passive income already has pre-made funnels that's already built and will promote products such as this product. I don't know how good it is, but it will promote these products for you. And all you have to do is drive traffic. And in here, they have traffic training. As you see, I click on training. And as you see, welcome to the traffic promotion training. And it walks you through the steps. Set up your secret web page. Step 2, promote your web page. And then they show you how to do solo advertising. And you also can outsource the marketing. Shows you how to do Bing ads. Show you how to get free traffic from YouTube. And also offering this 3-month traffic to income masterclass worth $997. So there's a lot of training back here will help you if you're just starting out, or if you've been struggling online. This will also help you. And like I said, it already has these pre-made funnels, and all these funnels have different offers that give away free training, give away free ebooks, free videos, free stuff, and then the system automatically follows up with people for you. So you don't have to worry about getting an autoresponder, getting a funnel builder, and understanding right away how to do email marketing. You can just basically promote these unique funnels, and it will follow up with them for you. And I'll put a link to the CB Passive Income below this video. And I've been part of this program for a couple of years now. This is in its 5th version. Just to show you, I don't want to give away people's email addresses, but this just shows you that the system works, because look at all these emails I've collected in my back office. So it's a pretty powerful system. Just show you my raw clicks. Let's see here. Sorted by date. Just today alone, these are all the clicks that and this is like 34,923 results for how many clicks I've gotten to my unique web pages. So if you want to check out and learn more about the system, like I said, be at the link below this video. And it's a very, very, very powerful tool. And like I said, if you're just starting out, or if you've been struggling online, this could be something that will help you, one, not only save money, but make money. Because there's a lot of tools you need to buy up front. There's a lot of things you need to understand and know up front. A lot of things you need to put in place and have in place to have a full-fledged and thriving internet marketing business. So this is the shortcut for someone just starting out. And another advantage of using a system like this is that a lot of people don't even have a marketing budget. They go into internet marketing to make more money because they don't have enough money as it is. And a lot of these systems out there want you to spend $500 to $1,000, or if not more, to get access to their system or their education to learn how to make money online. Well, with a system like this, you can plug in for way less than $1,000. You can plug in, start using the system, start generating the income, and the income that you earn using the CB passive income, you can use that for your marketing, to upgrade your tools, to upgrade your skills, and to generate more money online and become more independent. And that's what the ultimate goal is financial independence, financial freedom. So, like I said, I have all the links to things I've talked about below this video. If you got some value out of this video, like, share, subscribe, and I will talk to you again soon.